hundreds of interpretations of a Marxist process. Otherwise, why are there so many groups? If it was one perspective, there would not be some 20, 30 Marxist groups. There will be one organization. There are so many interpretations of Marxism. That is the problem. But no doubt what you say is true. Marxist dialectical materialism is a science, and it should look at things in that scientific viewpoint in the interest of the oppressed. That is the basic thing. You must look at society, history, whatever it is, in the interest of the oppressed, using the weapon of dialectical materialism. Now, what I was trying to say out there was that all the left, all the Marxists, are basically saying nothing different from what Bill Clinton and Fauci and other people are saying, with revolutionary rhetoric put in between. Your best example is that Frontline article, or Monthly Review is more scientific, but that Frontline article, he's also, that Bob Wallace I think his name is, he contributes also to Monthly Review, he's on linked to Monthly Review. His interview in Frontline, if you read, is a lot of revolutionary rhetoric. It's combined with exactly what he's suggesting, universalization of vaccine. That's what they want. They want to sell that. They want to promote vaccines everywhere so that when ivermectin tablet can prevent you from the disease, or so many other things, building immunity can prevent you. But they want to promote the vaccine, so they're pushing it. And we are supporting. The left is supporting. So the question is that what I was saying there on the origin of the virus was that of the general and the particular, was that what they are saying, the left, like Monthly Review and other people are saying, is that the coronaviruses, there have been many. COVID-19 is one of them. The SARS and MERS, I gave those examples, all were zoonotic. That means coming from animal to humans, and they pinpointed the animal. I gave the example of the civet cat and the camel. In coronavirus 19, which is all those were coronaviruses. Coronavirus is a broad spectrum of viruses. Corona 19 is the specific one which is active today and infecting people. So on that I said, what they are saying generally is that because of environment, because of capitalism, because of environmental destruction, these viruses are coming closer to human beings, and so more viruses are infecting people. That general formulation is correct. So destruction of capitalism, they are saying. But that general formulation, I say, does not apply to COVID-19 because they have not proved to be one of those viruses that come from the animal. There is no proof of that. So they must look at the particular also. What is general? Animal kingdom is there, but there are particular camels and the civet cats and there are so many other animals. The general and the particular vary. So they are taking the general formulation without touching on the particular aspect of the origin of this particular virus and where is the proof that it is zoonotic, and they are ignoring, in fact they don't even talk about the gain of future research, which I mentioned, gain of future research in America and now China also, and probably Europe, I don't know where else, is basically biotechnology research which is going on. They don't even mention that. Why not? You mention that at least and reject it then, say. It's not that. But people like Bob Wallace and all the other Monthly Review and all don't even talk about it. I got this knowledge from gain of future, even the name I got from other sources. Not from I read all the left articles on this, they don't even refer to it. And that's a dangerous thing. Even biological warfare is an aspect of capitalism. Why do you see only destruction of environment as an aspect of environment? Biological warfare is also a tool of, especially in a war situation. They will promote even more biological warfare. So why are the left not looking at that aspect of capitalism? That also is a product of capitalism. Socialism, I don't think, will use biological warfare. They might use things to defend oneself from it, but not do research in that, to destroy humanity or to conduct their wars. But that is totally ignored. Is that I don't believe is Marxism. So Marxism, from historically you see that Marxism has so many interpretations. That's why there are so many groups, so many parties, so many this thing. Their interpretation, like the point that he mentioned that in the original thing, Naxalbari, those 5 principles. If you take that point also from this thing. What they said, first we should analyze